Hare Krishna. My name is Aniruddha Swarup Das. I am from International Society for Krishna Consciousness, ISKCON Jo. So today we are going to discuss the topic: do I have to pay money to join ISKCON? In the beginning era of ISKCON movement, Srila Prabhupada, he started preaching in New York. So there was a very good devotee of Srila Prabhupada, disciple, His Holiness Giriraj Maharaj. His parents, he came to convince Srila Prabhupada because Giriraj Maharaj was the son of a very big advocate, very big advocate. So his parents came and he told Prabhupada that please return back my son. So Prabhupada said, you can take your son. And he was so happy. So he gave a blind check and said, Swamiji, because you told that you are giving back my son, so I am giving this money. So Srila Prabhupada said, you take back your check also, because we are not behind money. So this is what ISKCON. ISKCON is a selfless organization. You don't have to pay anything. But what you have to pay? You have to pay your sincerity. If you are sincere, ISKCON is a pure spiritual institution where just you have to practice Krishna consciousness. You have to get up early in the morning. You have to chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. You have to read books. In that way, this is what you have to do, sacrifice. Because Krishna consciousness, once you are Krishna conscious, once you are serving Krishna, then there is no obstacle of money. Because Krishna's consort is a Lakshmi. And it is said in Brahma Samhita, Lakshmi Sahasra Sata Sambhrav Sevyamanam Govinda Madi Purusham Tamam Bhajami. One day, Srila Prabhupada, he was taking on the roof massage. So he saw a few of the children, they were fighting near the garbage. So he asked his disciple why they are fighting. He said, Prabhupada, they are fighting for meal because they do not get proper meal. So they are looking their food in the garbage. So Srila Prabhupada said, henceforward from the ISKCON temple, 10 kilometers, everywhere we should distribute free meal, food. So that is why we have started the project, Free Food for Life project. And Prabhupada commented that because Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead and his consort is a Lakshmi, Srimati Radharani. So why we should worry about money? Money will automatically come. So what we want sincerity. Krishna wants sincerity. Money is not the matter. Many times people say that if you have money, then you can become a devotee of Krishna. No, it's not like that. You can see our Srila Prabhupada. He left with 40 rupees from India for US. And now, big empire. He himself told that I left India with only 40 rupees. And that is also Indian currency, not US currency. So practically he was a penniless, but he has a determination. He is a devotion for Lord, full faith, full dependent, full surrender. So this is what, when you want Krishna consciousness, when you become a devotee of Krishna, then these are all things is external. These are all things is not counted. For bhakti, for devotion, for to joining Krishna consciousness, ISKCON, we just have to become sincere. If you have, where there is will, there is a way. So we request to those who are aspiring to join ISKCON, or those who wanted to know about ISKCON, first and foremost thing is that you have to practice practically. You have to chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This Hare Krishna Maha Mantra you have to chant every day. Because in Kali Yuga, that holy name, he himself came in the form of name. Krishna, he has come in the form of name. So, Hare Nam Kevalam, Kalo Nastev Gatinita. So with this money is not going to come with us. But what is going to come with us? That is our devotion. So that is why when you perform devotional service, many people said we need money to perform devotional service. But if you have faith on Lord Sri Krishna, Lord Krishna has told in Bhagavad Gita that those who are my unalloyed devotees, I provide everything to him. Like see Pandavas, what they have? They are penniless. But still Krishna provided him everything. Why? Because they are fully dependent on Krishna. So I request you, this is all illusion that you have money, then you can do bhakti and all. People say, no, Swamiji, this is the age where you can earn, and once you become old, then we can practice. But once you become old, is it guaranteed that this body is going to support you? No. So this is what the requirement for practicing spirituality is: the determination, surrender and full faith of Lord Sri Krishna. And this all comes through reading Bhagavad Gita as it is, through chanting Hare Krishna and associating with devotees. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki